Hey guys, and welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to be doing a Kawaii Slime Company review. So recently I went to the Kawaii Slime show in Anaheim, California, and it was just so much fun getting to meet all the different Slimers in their slime shops. So I went ahead and got some slime from the Kawaii Slime Company, and I'm just so excited to try these out, and I really hope you guys enjoy. But first, if you're new to my channel, then hi, I'm Alina. Be sure to hit that red subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any new videos. And without further ado, let's get started. Alright guys, so now I'm going to take you down to my slime area where I can go ahead and pick up my supplies. Now as you can see here, a lot of my slimes are gone because I filmed a giant slime smoothie video. That was a super fun video, so if you haven't seen that one yet, I'll be sure to leave a link down below. Now I'm going to show you the slimes that I'm going to be reviewing. So here are the 4 slimes that I picked up from Kawaii Slime Company. I thought these slimes look super cute. I just love how creative their slime shop is. I love the containers that the slimes came in, and I was just so excited to open them. So here's the very first slime that I'm going to be opening. So this one is a honey slime that comes in a super cute honey jar. The slime also comes with a super cute miniature honey stick that was super fun to dip in the slime. So the slime was a little bit melted, but that was because it had been sitting on the shelf, but that was completely my fault. But as soon as the slime was reactivated, it was amazing. It had such a nice honey scent and it smelled just like honey. This slime is super nice and stretchy, it has great clicking noises, and it also has really nice bubble pops. The slime also comes with a really cool sponge to make it look like honeycomb, and it makes really nice bubble pops. So here's the next slime that I'm going to be opening. So this one is a Fruit Loops cereal slime that comes in a super cute cereal container. The slime also comes with a bunch of super cute Fruit Loops charms, and it also comes with the Kawaii Slime Company logo. And again, these slimes had been sitting for a little while, so this one was a little melted, but as soon as it was reactivated, it had a very nice and smooth texture. It was super nice and glossy, and it also had a really nice Fruit Loop scent. When I bought this one at the convention, the slime was white, so I'm not really sure why it turned brown. I was thinking maybe it was because the slime had been sitting, so I'm not really sure what happened there. But other than that, I thought this was a very cute slime, and it was just so much fun to play with. here's the next slime that I'm going to be opening. So this one is a blue clear slime with some jelly cubes in it. I really liked the container that the slime came in. It reminded me a lot of a jelly container. I'm not really sure if this was supposed to be a jelly slime, but I just thought the container was super cute. As soon as the slime was reactivated, the slime was super nice and stretchy, it had great clicking noises, and the jelly cubes gave the slime a super nice and crunchy texture. The slime also had a really nice scent, although I'm not really sure what it was, but it smelled really sweet and it smelled a lot like blueberries. So here's the last and final slime that I'm going to be opening. So this one is the ice cream sherbet slime. When I saw this one at the convention, I just thought it looked super cute. I just love the container that the slime came in. I just thought it was super creative and I was just so excited to open this one. This slime has such an amazing texture. It's super soft and buttery, it's super creamy and spreadable, and it fluffs up so much when I stretch it out, and it's just so much fun to play with. And the slime also has a really nice ice cream scent. Alright guys, that is it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up. Be sure to check out Kawaii Slime Company Slime Shop. I will have a link down below in case any of you guys are interested. I have so many fun videos planned, so be sure to stay tuned. But I would also really like to know what you guys like to see in a future video. I would love to hear your ideas, so be sure to let me know in the comments down below. And I do have an Instagram, so if you guys like to check that out, I'll be sure to leave the link down below. I hope you guys are having an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!